guys, my camera literally died mid talking and this is crooked. So I have to finish the rest of this on my phone. But as I was saying, I'm back at the hotel. I just showered. I did a good much needed everything shower, especially after that Pilates class. This keeps falling. My Octo buddy is like giving up on me. So now I need to blow out my hair, do my skin routine again, and I'm gonna get ready. It's currently like around like 1, I think, and my parents are gonna get into town around 3. So I wanna like have my hair done at least. I don't know if I'm gonna have my makeup done yet, but I kind of want to be at least a little ready for by the time they get here, because it will probably be hectic then, like all of us in the room getting ready. So yeah, let's do that. I have no idea what's wrong with my contact right now, but it's being so annoying and it hurts. And I like don't see anything in my eye, but whatever. I feel like wear contacts, you know, like sometimes it's such a struggle and it's so annoying because it's just like you feel like you have something in your eye, but I can't see anything. I'm so happy to be here, guys. Like, I cannot explain. I was talking to my boyfriend earlier and he was like, you look so happy. And I was like, dude, when I'm in New York, like, I just have a glow to me. Like, I just am like so happy, so excited. Like, I can't explain to people enough. Like, this is like literally my happy place. Like, I love it here so much. We've been coming here since I was probably, gosh, I don't even know. I was probably like 6 the first time we came. And ever since then, we were coming like 2 to 3 times a year. Just because we like loved it here. My parents would come without me too, so they had like friends here that they would meet and always like stay in touch with them. I'm so happy to be here, especially after like market. Like, market was super fun but definitely stressful, so like now I just get to like be here. Oh, I'm about to drop all my stuff. Now I just get to be here and chill with my parents, especially since I haven't seen them since January, and it's already like the end of February, which is crazy. Oh my gosh, it's like going by so fast. I'm also excited though to go home for like back to Texas. I think I'm going home for spring break, so I'm really excited for that. I'm ready to see everybody. Like, I really want to see my cousin. I really want to go see my nephew. He actually, guys, oh my gosh, he started walking and I'm like, I just about cried. Like, I cannot believe he's walking and I'm so sad. I'm not there, but I'm gonna be there soon and I like can't wait for him to like walk up to me when I get there. If you have a nephew or like even like little siblings, like you just know, like it's just so adorable watching them grow up and stuff. And like this little dude has like no idea how much like I literally love him. Like, I tell everybody about him. He's like absolutely my favorite. Like, his mom's my favorite of course too, but like gosh, I love that kid. And he can be a little bad sometimes, but like he can get away with literally anything. Literally anything. Like, he goes, my parents are his godparents, and he like goes to our house and just like opens everything, and my dad and my mom, super neat. They like everything like in its place. Oh my gosh, I can't open this now. Okay, Rode, like I need easier packaging for these. Like I just used all your products, so my hands are glazed up. How am I supposed to open this now? Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm literally red from like trying to open these dang eye patches. I don't know why that was so hard. Anywho, what was I talking about? Oh, I was talking about how Carter's so bad. He's not so bad, but like he's bad, and my parents are neat freaks, and like I was like, when I was younger, like I wasn't allowed to eat in my room. Like, everything was like very neat, organized, had a place, and Carter comes in now and is like, goes and does whatever. And my parents were like, he's so cute, look at him on your bed, like knocking off all the pillows, making a mess. And I'm like, whatever, it's fine. I saw it with my dog before him. They're the same way with my dog, so like What are you gonna do about it? Say hi.
What's up?
Okay guys, we're at the peninsula now. We're here on the rooftop. We're just getting a few drinks and then we're gonna head back to the hotel and get ready for dinner tonight. So I did indeed fall asleep before dinner. So my parents went to dinner without me, and I told them to go to dinner without me because I like passed out as soon as we came back to the hotel to change for dinner. Yeah, I've been in like 4 states in the past week and I'm exhausted, and it like literally just hit me tonight. So I was like, I gotta go sleep early. So I just woke up from my nap and I'm getting ready for bed. But guys, my makeup is like still on and intact, like very well. I don't even use setting spray. So, wow, love that for me. But I'm gonna get ready for bed. Good morning, guys. This is my 3rd day here, y'all's 2nd day here?
Yes.
Yeah. We just left the hotel. It's, what time is it? 10:43. We're walking around. I think we're gonna hopefully go get a bagel or something because I'm starving and I need food or I'm about to be hangry and nobody wants to deal with that. So we shall see, but I'll let y'all know where we go eat at. It feels really good out today actually. It's not that cold. It's like 40 degrees, but it's supposed to snow tomorrow and the day we leave, so we're gonna see how that goes trying to go back home. But anywho,
So you don't move? I'm sorry.
we just got yelled at by the lady that lives here. Okay guys, so we're back on the move. We're eating again. I only video when I'm eating. But we're going to Dos Caminos, which is a Mexican restaurant here. And it's absolutely fire. I really want some chips and queso and guac. So let's go. Okay guys, we're gonna do a setactive haul because that's where we went today, and I have to do it in the bathroom because that's the only place with decent lighting. Okay, so I got this top, super cute, and then I got the matching bottoms, which I really like this colorway for like spring, so super cute. So I got that, and then I got these. They're not a set technically, but I'll probably like wear them together because they kind of match together. I got this black top. I think this is from their like university collection. And then I got the mini skirt. I don't know what I just dropped. I got the little mini skirt to go with it. Super cute with the little lines on the side. So it kind of matches the black. So like a little bit different because I don't think it's like a total meant to be set. And then I just got some gray setactive socks. And that was my haul for the day. That's all I've bought so far. Okay, we've made it to the plaza. live on some boots. Let's go. Okay, here's the real fit. I'm still gonna be freezing. It feels like 15 degrees out, but the outfit's cute. Good morning, guys. Today is Monday. Mom, is today Monday? Yeah. Okay. Today's Monday, and we have a very interesting day ahead of us. So we're currently stuck in a blizzard. Like, I mean, I don't know if we're stuck really, but New York is having this crazy blizzard right now. Central Park has about 15 inches of snow and counting because it's still snowing right now. So it's just gonna keep going. There was like a travel ban placed last night at like 9, and I guess it's like still placed right now. It's I think it's like 11 or something, and it will be lifted at around like 12, like I don't know, sometime in the afternoon. So we like don't really know what to do. We're kind of like just stuck. Not like stuck, but there's not much we can do right now. We like don't really know where to go. It's really hard to like get anywhere at the moment. And also we didn't really pack accordingly. At least I didn't pack accordingly. Like I didn't really pack any like jackets that can like really get snowed on and stuff. So I'm kind of working around that. I'm also sad because I haven't gotten to wear all my cute outfits and get all my pictures yet. So that's really upsetting. But nonetheless, it's okay. There's bigger problems out there. But I don't even think I'm really gonna do makeup today. I don't think I'm gonna do a lot of makeup at least, because we have dinner reservations at the Polo Bar. I mean, hopefully like those are still good. Like hopefully we still have those, that they let us go there tonight. But the dinner reservations are for 10, and the travel ban started at 9 p.m. last night. So I'm wondering if that's gonna affect that in any way. I'm really hoping not, because I really like my outfit for dinner tonight. So I mean, even if maybe if we don't go, I'm still gonna put it on and take some pictures. I don't know, we'll have to figure it out. Okay, my hair is like low-key not terrible. This side's a lot better. Clearly I sleep on this side, so I might just like leave down how it is at the moment and then kind of just like clip it up if we go somewhere. I'm gonna throw in some hair serum. Okay, here's the outfit. I didn't put leggings on under my jeans today. Am I going to regret it? Probably. But let's go eat some food because I'm hungry. Guys, I just said I have to update my vlog, and Dad goes, "You want me to talk?" Anywho, we're downstairs at our hotel. My mom's on FaceTime with her sister, but we have really sad news. Our Polo Bar reservations got canceled.
Yeah.
I'm so sad, guys. It's really upsetting. See what Dad has to say about it.
Pretty bummed.
Okay, love you, sis.
It's not cool coming to New York and not being able to get into the Polo Bar. It's already hard to get into, and then you get your reservations canceled because of the blizzard. It sucks.
You should like see if they like will keep your reservation.
They will.
They will?
They will.
You can get another
They'll
one?
honor. Yeah, they'll honor.
So catch me here next month.
But Olivia will be like, Dad, I'm using yours.
I will. I'm not kidding. I'll come back next month. Can I actually? I do want to come back though. I'm gonna come do a solo trip.
She just came back from Vegas.
You only live once. YOLO. And while I have the time, let's do it. Anyways, we're eating downstairs at our hotel. I got a latte. It's pretty good. I mean, it's not like a crazy coffee shop latte, but it will do. It'll do. Anywho, I have no idea what we're doing for the rest of the day.
Got mimosa.
His champagne. I looked over and I said, do you even put orange juice in it?
It does.
Just a splash.
My mom said, what does he do, Mom?
It just goes. The fumes.
The aroma of the orange juice is in there.
I want to taste the champagne, not the orange juice.
Well, I guess I'll vlog when we figure out what we're gonna do for the rest of the day. We shall see. I'm just laughing at how I look. Okay guys, we made it out.
What's up?
It is a little icy, but it's not terrible, honestly. Oh my god. Is that a bird? Okay, it's honestly not that bad. I'm really bundled up that I'm not very cold. Okay, but like when the wind hits you, it is a bit frigid. So, yeah. And oh my gosh, I didn't wear leggings under my jeans today, which I probably should have. And I should probably also stop recording because I'm gonna fall. Me and Mom look like little babushkas.
I'll be careful right here.
Okay, we just came back. We went to this artist studio that I've gotten prints from in the past. I have them in my apartment, so Dad got some from their house because he wants to copy me. And now we are just walking.
Whatever.
I have no idea what we're gonna do now. There's like not much open, so we're just kind of walking till I guess we see something interesting. Oh, we ran into...
It's time for a cocktail.
I want a coffee. We ran into... What was that guy's name? That we
Carson
met?
Kressley.
What was his name?
Carson Kressley.
We just ran into Carson Kressley. He was coming out of like a cafe. So Mom stopped him and asked if we could get a picture with him. But
Going to the Oscars in a couple of weeks.
yeah, he's going to the Oscars in a couple of weeks. We heard him talking about. So yeah, that's what we're doing here.
He's just gone live with Kelly.
Here's what it looks like. So we're just gonna keep going now. And snow is like falling off of everything. And it just hits you.
Maybe there's an Uber now.
Wait, he looks so different from what I remember.
That's so cute. Is it good?
Charles was at a table with like his friend or something who just got married.
Huh?
And Winston told us, that was like one of my first
So good.
3, 2, 1, go!
Okay, we're in Central Park. It's so snowy. Okay guys, we made it to the Oculus. I think we're just gonna roam around a bit, do a little shopping. I want to go to a Sephora because we do not have a Sephora in Tuscaloosa. So I think we're gonna do that and then see where we go after that. Let's do some shopping. Guys, I've been asked for directions 2 times already. Does this mean I look like a local? Okay guys, we made it to dinner. We're at Little Frankie's. I'm so excited for some cool stuff. Okay guys, we're back and I'm about to go to bed and I'll see y'all in the morning.
Storm, dressed up, and there's nowhere to. The reservation was nowhere.